Now, someone asked, why do I use 3 different platforms, MetaTrader 4, TradingView, and Owanda? I want to clear the air on this. So I don't use MetaTrader 4 anymore. MetaTrader 4 is a execution platform. You can link your brokerage account to that execution platform. But a lot of brokerages also offer trading through their own platform. That's what I'm using right now with Owanda. Now, TradingView is a charting platform, not an execution platform. TradingView is a website that you can also link your broker through, and because I use Owanda, I'm able to execute and manage my trades on TradingView as well. So I'm not using 3 platforms, I'm only using 2, and it's one or the other. Really, the FX trade is just for the photos and for backup. All of what I'm doing right now is through TradingView. It's very easy to see your risk as far as percentages. It's very easy to manage the trade, dragging and moving the stop and the take profit. It's very easy on TradingView. So I'm not using all 3 platforms. Just TradingView, just FX Trade. I think MT4 is on its way out the door. It's being outdated. MT5 is going to be the new thing, but I don't even need that because Owanda offers a great platform. I have another video linked on my YouTube channel. I'll put the link down in the description as well, so you can go check that out. And that's like a full TradingView tutorial to give you the whole rundown on how I use that.